Cornwall College is represented this evening by Justin Brackett, Devante Hofstede, Justin Donaldson, and team captain Alex Shaw. While Clarendon College is represented by team captain Siobhan Lloyd, Shanna K. Willis, Nikki Ann Thompson, and Mark Williams. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round one action in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Cornwall College won and decided to go first, so we begin with Cornwall College. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have that time on the clock, please. With that, Cornwall, we begin with Bible knowledge. How did the priest Eli, Samuel's mentor, die?
Fell from a stool.
He fell from a chair.
He fell from his seat, broke his neck. Correct. Bible knowledge for Clarendon College. Who killed Sisera, commander of King Jabin's Canaanite army?
Jehu.
Jael. International affairs, a visual for Cornwall. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Javier Milei.
Javier Milei.
President of Argentina. Correct. International affairs for Clarendon College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Emmanuel Macron.
No, it's Jose Raul Molino Quintero, President of Panama. English language for Cornwall. Spell colloquial.
C-O-L-L-O-Q-U-I-A-L.
So C-O-L-L-O-Q-U-I-A-L.
That's right. English language for Clarendon. Spell statistician.
Statiscian.
No, it's Statisticcian. Cornwall College art. Which artist created the painting The Hireling Shepherd?
Hireling Shepherd. William Holman Hunt.
William Holman Hunt.
Correct. Art for Clarendon. Cornfield with Flight of Birds is the name of a painting by which artist?
Pablo Picasso.
No, it's Vincent van Gogh. Music for Cornwall College. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
He took a chance, made of a plan.
Justin Timberlake.
Crimea River, correct. Music for Clarendon. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as
Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber.
That's right. Stay. Information technology for Cornwall. What is the name for the range of frequencies that can traverse a given transmission channel?
Bandwidth.
Good. Infotech for Clarendon. What type of internet connectivity transfers its data over coaxial or fiber optic cables that have wider bandwidth?
Local area network.
No, broadband. Theatre and cinema for Cornwall College. Look at the monitor and identify this actor, please.
Come. That is most definitely Rand Perkins. Rand Perkins.
No, it's Channing Tatum. Theatre and cinema for Clarendon. Look at the monitor and identify this actor, please. Okay, your time expired. Cornwall, would you like a chance to answer?
Mark Wahlberg, right?
Yeah.
Mark
Wahlberg.
That's right. Cornwall College, biology. To which phylum does the octopus belong?
Octopus. Phylum. Mollusca. Makes sense.
Mollusca.
That's right. Clarendon College, biology. To which phylum does the shrew belong?
That is
Chordata.
That's right. Sport or visual one for Cornwall. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
South African Ashwell
Literally
Prince.
have nobody. So,
Ashwell Prince.
such a Jaden Seals.
Jaden Seals.
No, it's Kegiso Rabada. Sport for Clarendon. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Oh my God.
That is
Michael Anthony.
Michael Anthony.
No, it's Temba Bavuna. Both gentlemen are South African cricketers. That's the bell. That's the end of the opening. Challenge scores in the match look to be Cornwall College taking the early lead on 8, Clarendon College on 2. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.